Hi, this is Maths with BrushMyQuant. In this video, we'll be learning how to find units digit of any positive integer power of 7. Let's learn that by taking an example. So find the units digit of 7 raised to 81. Now let's start by finding if there is a pattern or cycle in the units digit of power of 7. So 7 raised to 1 units digit is 7. 7 square units digit is 9. 7 cube units digit is 3. And 7 raised to 4 units digit is 1. Now since we got a 1, so the pattern will repeat and we will get the units digit again as 7, 9, 3 and 1. That means the cycle of units digit of power of 7 is actually equal to 4. Now how do we use that information? So 7 raised to 81, now we need to divide this power of 81 by 4 and check what is the remainder. Now if we do this, we'll get a remainder of 1. That means 7 raised to 81 will have the same units digit as 7 raised to 1 and will be equal to 7 itself. Now note that while finding the remainder, if you get the remainder as 0, that means units digit will be same as units digit of 7 raised to cycle, which is equal to 7 raised to 4, and that will be equal to 1 itself. Find the units digit of 7 raised to 37. Now since the cycle of units digit of power of 7 is 4, so we need to divide 37 by 4 to check the remainder. Since the remainder will be 1 in this case, that means units digit of 7 raised to 37 will be same as units digit of 7 raised to 1 and will be equal to 7 itself. Find the units digit of 7 raised to 52. Now we need to divide 52 by the cycle, which is 4. That means we'll get a remainder of 0. So units digit of 7 raised to 52 will be same as units digit of 7 raised to cycle, which is equal to 4, and that means this will be equal to 1. So units digit of 7 raised to 52 will be equal to 1. Find the units digit of 7 raised to 80a plus 51 given that a is a positive integer. Now since the cycle is 4, so we need to divide 80a plus 51 by 4 and check the remainder. We know remainder of this will be same as remainder of 80a by 4 plus remainder of 51 by 4. Now this will be 0 because 80 is divisible by 4 and 51 by 4 will give us a remainder of 3. That means overall remainder is 3. That means units digit of 7 raised to 80a plus 51 will be same as units digit of 7 raised to 3 and will be equal to 3 itself. Find the units digit of 1297 raised to 2041. Now whenever we have a big number like this and we have to find the units digit, we can actually ignore all the numbers except the units digit. So units digit of this entire number will be same as units digit of 7 raised to 2041. Now we know that 7 has a cycle of 4 for the units digit. So we will divide 2041 by 4 and check the remainder. Now we know the divisibility rule for 4, and that is you need to look at the last two digits and then find the remainder by 4. So if we find remainder of 41 by 4, we will get the remainder as 1. So units digit of 1297 raised to 2041 will be same as units digit of 7 raised to 1 and will be equal to 7 itself. Hope you found this video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.